નમસ્તે દર્શક મિત્રો, ન્યૂઝ મીડિયામાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. પ્રથમ જોઈએ મુખ્ય અહેવાલો. લંડન ખાતે યોજાયેલ સાંસ્કૃતિક અને ટેલેન્ટ સ્પર્ધામાં અમરજ્યોતિ સ્કૂલની 2 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ચેમ્પિયન. સુરીલી સાંજમાં બીતી હુઈ યાદેના ગીતોની પ્રસ્તુતિ.
Bring us up to that stage.
Get her mum and dad to take it one.
Together, Shreya and Rhea stood first in the debate competition held there. Mohit. And Manthan. Manthan Mehta. Mohit.
And the organizer said in 7 years that
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, give them a good hand, children. Our special appreciations to these 3 children.
the best.
They were so well behaved. I don't have words to express my happiness. Call from the teachers and they were right there to help us. Well done, boys, we are very proud of you. Thank you so much. Children, the best part is, and that makes it all the more special. So well done, we are very proud of you. Next, the best part of the event was the first place in the cultural show. Special thanks to us, sir, the choreographer of the team, and the wonderful children of the team. We will not forget Yogesh sir, we will not forget our art team, Vijay sir, Kartavya sir, for all of them helping out with the props. Ours were marvelous props and a wonderful performance, I must say.
Students participated in cultural competition. First place won by Manthan Mehta. And Dhruvraj. Jayashree Shah. Shreya Bansal. Anushree Gupta. Naima Dholia. Janvi Jaiswal. Annie Srivastav. Riya Parekh. Vinny Mehta, Vignesh Jodani,
Children, keep clapping for them.
Mohit Gurumukhani, Manthan Gohil, Khushi Gohil,
Vinny Mehta, Manthan Gohil, Hetvi Shah, Aryan to come and collect it from sir. Dhruvraj Gohil, Mohit Gurmukhani. And 2 special certificates, one for Amarjyoti ma'am and one for Rima ma'am. We request both of them to come on to stage and collect it from stage.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much.
As well as Mr. Chakrapani. Special thanks to Poonam ma'am and Shelly ma'am. 3. So I invite this bright student to come on to stage to collect his prize from Amarjyoti ma'am.
Special boy.
Organized by the institution. All interested students can give their names. It is a 10-day tour with a 3-day space camp. And you'll be spending 3 days of rupees and you can interested
students. It is my honor to stand here today before you. Along with 17 other students, we represented our school in the 17th ICSQC debate, case study, culture dance, college making, skit, poster making competition, in which I am proud to say that we stood first in the competition, debate competition and dance competition. I am incredibly thankful to the school for having the confidence in me and giving me the platform that I needed to compete against international schools from Mauritius, Sri Lanka. We had an opportunity to visit the London icons such as Big Ben, Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, Chessington Park, while adventuring through the London tubes. It was really a dream come true to be able to share a room with 9 girls and sleep on bunk beds. We also had opportunity to buy London artifacts and explore the city by foot while taking the culture, sights and sounds. It was a fantastic experience. After 2 days of sightseeing, we arrived at Kingston University for our event. We were all assigned individual rooms with personal bathrooms. The days was a chance to meet our contenders outside our arena and made friends from all over the world, exchanging our culture with theirs. The highlight of my trip was right before going up on the bed. Jyoti ma'am said she believed in me and that I will be okay. That brought back my confidence, and along with my partner Shreya Bansal, we went on to win the first place in debate competition. This experience, like many others, have taught me many lessons. First, a right platform is the right exposure.
Wonderful time. We all were privileged to be a part of the 17th ICSQCC held at Kingston University. It was a lifetime experience.
The mic is on.
Hello. Hello.
We can read and write. Some projects going on
What to do? Oh, we munde di. Patanga varigi, huwe uddi di. Oh, we munde di. Inna te chaldi, tuk tuk tu kardi, makeup tu kardi.
Hooray! Yogesh sir and Vijay sir to please join. Three cheers to our school. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you very much. Principals of both the schools to kindly come onto the stage for the victory photograph. Chakrapani sir and Rajendra sir.
स्टडीज का पूरे जिंदगी में मोहित की मम्मी सर।
मैं उसको प्रतिभा को नमस्कार, मैं हूं अमर ज्योति। आप सब मुझे जानते हैं अब तक, तो आप सबको मालूम था कि हम लोग लंदन जा रहे हैं। 15 दिन पहले इंटरव्यू था हम लोगों का, और अब खुशी की ये बात है कि डिबेट में हमारा स्कूल पहला नंबर आया है। 47 कंट्रीज़ थे सब। दिल्ली के स्कूल सब हार गए, लखनऊ के सब स्कूल हार गए, श्रीलंका थे, जर्मनी थे। और आपको मालूम है कि अभी भावनगर के हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे क्या है, हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ हम लोग ये भी सब करते हैं, बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है। और इतना अच्छा डिबेट बच्चों ने किया कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ। और एक कल्चर प्रोग्राम में हमारा नंबर फर्स्ट आया है, और लोगों ने बोला है कि ज़िंदगी में उन लोगों ने ऐसा प्रोग्राम नहीं देखा। तो ये बहुत गौरव की बात है पूरे भावनगर के लिए, क्या पूरे गुजरात के लिए है कि गुजरात के बच्चे ये सब कर रहे हैं।
एंड मैम व्हाट अबाउट नासा प्रोग्राम दैट नेक्स्ट?
हाँ, और अभी जो है नेक्स्ट हमारा प्रोग्राम सितंबर में नासा का है। हम लोग स्कूल के बच्चों को नासा लेके जा रहे हैं, और 12 दिन का प्रोग्राम है हमारा। हम लोगों को वहाँ से इन्विटेशन आया है, और उसके बाद अगले साल पाकिस्तान से भी आया है। अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है, अभी अगले साल की बहुत दूर की बात है, बट अभी हम पहले इस साल की तैयारी करेंगे। और एक और इंटरनेशनल इवेंट है लखनऊ में, जो पूरे दुनिया से बच्चे आएंगे, हम उसमें भी जा रहे हैं।
ओके मैम, कांग्रेचुलेशन।
थैंक यू सर।